Today we're going to be making a healthier alternative to the classic American comfort food chicken nuggets. So to get started, we are going to take a cup and a half of soaked macadamia nuts, and we're just going to put them into our food processor. A cup and a half of soaked walnuts. 1/4 cup of red onion, and a 1/4 cup of celery, 1 tablespoon of fresh squeezed lemon juice, a 1/2 teaspoon of poultry seasoning, and salt and pepper to taste. We're just going to blend these. And I just like to stir up the contents to get a more even grind. Alright. Now we're going to form our nugget patties. Almost golden nuggets. And we're just going to place those on the dehydrator sheet at 105 for 2 hours. While those are dehydrating, we're going to be making our sauce, a beautiful garlic sauce, and here is what they look like after 2 hours of dehydration and our garlic sauce.